So the plant gives this kind of flowers, and this is called kevda. I told you, I forgot I forgot the name of this plant, but this is called kevda, and I can feel the fume of I can smell the fume of this flowers. It's very fragrance and very smoothie. You can see from this flower a beautiful fruit will come out, which normally nicobari over here use it, and the fruit is very energetic, very protein rich. They make a vegetable from that fruit. Normally they say that this gives you energy like a tablet of food ration which we are using in our life raft, no? That type of energy this fruit gives. They use it as vegetable. Very nice fuel.